Hello everyone, once again this is G Lessons and this is my YouTube channel. And if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to hit that button subscribe and hit that bell to notify you for my upcoming videos. Once again, we are going to tackle all about lesson 14. Okay, so stay tuned for a short recap of lesson 13. Okay, so we have here the number one principles, no, or principle in lesson 14. It says that the W in the body of a word, meaning when the sounds of W occurs in the body of a word, as in quick, it is represented by a short dash underneath the vowel following the W sounds. Okay, so I repeat, we will put a dash underneath the vowel. Okay, so example here. The word is quick. Okay, so there is a W sounds in the body of the word quick. Okay, so therefore, according to the rule, we have to put a dash underneath the vowel following the W sound. So quick, quick, Q there. It sounds as letter K and then a small circle and then another K. Then put a dash underneath there. So that is quick. Alright. Next. Next word, we do have the word coat. Alright. There. Okay. So we have the sounds of K and then O. Stop there and put or join letter T. Now, put a dash underneath. That is coat. Okay. So let's have another example. Can you read this one? Okay. We have this one and a vowel, small circle, and upward straight line. Then we have a dash underneath. What is the word now? Very good. That is quit. Very good. Okay. So next, what about this one? It is a downward curve and then an upward straight line, then a small circle and a straight forward line. So what is the word now? We will put a dash here underneath the vowel. The word now is between. Very good. Alright, between there. Okay. Try to read this again. We have an S because it is a comma S because it is followed by K. And then we do have a large circle and then forward curve. Then underneath here is the W sounds. What is the word? Yes, good guess. That is square. Very good. Square. Okay. Next example. We do have here an upward straight line and a broken circle and a left S. So what is the word? Alright, that is, I forgot the dash. underneath the vowel. Okay, so what is the word now? That is twice. Alright, twice. Okay, let's have another example. More example on that. Okay, we do have here, alright, and a forward curve, then another small circle and a downward curve. Then underneath the vowel there, what is the word? Okay, that is equipped. There, that is equipped. Okay, okay, you're doing good. Next one, let's have the word. Okay, then we do have, for a while, we have this one, and then a forward curve and a downward curve. Now a broken circle and a dash underneath. So what is the word now? Very good. That is qualify. Qualify. See that? There is a W sounds here. So that is a dash underneath the vowel. So next, we do have the word. Can you try this one? Okay. And a forward curve. Then a circle there. And a left S. Then we have a dash here. Let me rewrite that. A dash there. Okay. So what is the word again? Very good. The word is always. There. Okay. Let's have more example. We have the forward curve and then O and then upward straight line, then a big circle and then a dash beneath, underneath. Okay, what is the word? Very good. It is road. There. Roadway. There. Very good. Okay, next. Let's have this one. Let's have this one. And then an RD combination there. Okay, just wait. Let's have then an RD combination and then alright, an R there. And we will put a dot here and then we will put here a dash. Okay, so what is the word? This is your dot above the first vowel, that is letter H, correct. So therefore, we have hard, very good, hardware, there. That is the correct word. Okay, so that's it. That is your W in the body of a word. You have to put a dash underneath the vowel. Okay. Next, principle. We do have the TED. TED. The TED meaning the combination of TED or the combination TED is represented by joining T and D in one long upward stroke. Okay, so we have to combine T and D. Okay, so meaning to say combining T and D. TED, right? We have to combine the T and the D for a straight line. So that is occupying one whole of the space. That is upward strokes or symbol. Okay, so let's have an example. So that is the symbol, no, for TED. Upward straight line occupying one whole of the space. So we have an example here. The word here is listed. This is our new lesson. Okay, listed. Now this is your line of writing. So we have the L and then E and S and TED. There, listed. Alright? I there is pronounced as E. So that is listed. Okay. Next, another one, the word is acted. So we have this symbol again. Alright, so therefore we have to write the big circle here for A and letter K, a forward curve, then one whole of the space for acted. For TED, the word now is acted. Okay, so let's have more reading. Okay, so this one, I guess I have to draw a line there. Okay, let's have an example there. Okay, this one, TED, right? And A. Okay, another one, you can start trying on your paper to write what is the word. Okay, then I have here another and TED. Okay, I have another here. Draw a line. Let me draw a line again. Okay, just imagine it is a straight line. Okay, we have the word okay, forward curve and then a downward dip hook and a forward curve, then a big circle and then upward straight line there. Okay, and then we do have and then all right there. So let's try to answer now. All right, so this is today. There, today. Check your work. And then the next one is rested. Right? Rests. Dead. There. What about this one? We have located. That's it. Okay? And this one is steady. Steady. Or study. It could also be study. Alright. Okay? Some more examples. We have to draw a line again. Straight line. Okay. And a straight line. Okay. So next example. Okay. We have this one. And then, okay. Then a downward curve. Another downward curve. And upward straight line. Alright, you try that. Then we do have this one. Downward and a small circle and then another downward and a small circle again and upward straight line. What is that? Next, we do have here a big circle and upward straight line and a downward dip hook and a downward curve and upward straight line. What is that? Okay, and then we do have this one. Okay, all right, and upward straight line there. Okay, so the first word here we have A, yes, and then K, yes, so that is accepted. Accepted. There, this is your TED. Okay, V and E and S, and then E and TED. So the word is visited. Very good. Visited. All right. That is the word. Visited. There you go. Okay. What about this one? This is a big circle. It's letter A, and then upward straight line 2/3 or 3/4. That is letter D. And this is one, your O, and then P and TED. So that is what? What? That is adopted. Very good. Adopted. There. All right. What about this one? Upward. That is your letter T, yes. And then this one is your letter E, yes. And this one is your letter S again. And TED. So the word now is tested. Okay, so that is the rule in TED. Alright. Okay. So next principle, may I read? Okay, may I give you the next principle? It says that the long stroke that represent TED also represents dead, dit, and det. Okay. So it's the same symbol for TED. Okay? Meaning, for the dead, dit, and det. Okay? We have the same symbol using the symbol in TED. This is an upward straight line. Same symbol. Example. Okay? We have the word guided. Alright. Guided. So this is dead, right? Okay? So we have to identify the sounds. Gay, a broken circle, and this is your guide. Once that is past tense, straight line there, that is guided. Okay. Next, we have the word needed there. Okay? Dead. Okay? So we have the sounds of N and then E and then D. It says that you have to combine the T and D. So that is one whole of the space needed. That is why, remember, I told you D is only 2/3 or 3/4 of the space because of this principle. Alright. Next example. We have the word, okay? The word is, alright, I guess it's time for you to read. Alright. This one. Alright. And an upward straight line there. Okay, and we have this one and an upward straight line again. Okay, then we do have here, alright, straight, upward straight line, and then deep hook, and then K, and then upward straight line there. Okay, and then we do have another deep hook there, and okay, and this one. Okay, let's try to answer this one. Okay, the first word, this is your gay, that's correct, followed by the symbol, that is letter R. We do have this symbol, a big circle, that is a letter A. Then our lesson dead, that is graded. Okay. Now this one, we have a large circle which is letter A, then dead. So that is added. Very good. Added. What about this one? We have the dead. Okay. Then U, and then K and T. That is deduct. Alright? We have a downward symbol here, so meaning the word is deduction. Alright. Deduction. Okay, so that is the rule in dead. Alright. Okay. For the det and dit, okay, we have an example here. For instance, detail. Okay, so how are you going to write that? It is a straight line for that and the sounds of A and L. So that is detail. This one is your that, and A this one, and L is this one. Okay. Next, we do have the word credit there. That is the lesson that we have here. So a wave-like motion, then an E, and the straightforward. Credit. Okay. Next word, we have the word edit. How are we going to write that in steno? We have E and then the symbol, straight line. So small circle, right? It's small circle, then upward straight line. Alright. What about if the word is edited? There. Edited. There. So we have to write E, edit, and then put a jog and another T. That is edited. Okay. So next example. We do have here creditor. Alright. Creditor. So we have wave like and E and D, that, dit, and or. Creditor. Next, last example, we have auditor. Okay. So we have your O, dit, just add or, that is your auditor. Alright. So that is the principle of dead, dit, and that. Okay, now let's have a reading practice. I will give you 5 sentences again, and if you know the answer, please comment down below. Alright. So let's have the first sentence. Okay. Try to read this one. Alright. Alright. There, and that's an LD combination. That's a dot. Okay. And there is a dash underneath. Alright. And then there is a dot. Okay. Note down if you know the sentence. Okay, wait for sentence number 2. Okay, so this is your sentence number 2. Can you can rewrite it and try to analyze. Okay, then write the longhand, then comment below. right? Okay. There. Yeah, I rewrite that. Okay. And that symbol. And that one. And then underneath is a dash. Then we have here and upward. Okay. Alright, it's a broken circle, then a downward curved. Then, okay. And this is the last word. And a dot. There. That is your second sentence. Okay, so this is your sentence number 3. Okay. You try to analyze what is this. Okay, then a dot there. Another dot. This is another brief form. This is our lesson a while ago. Brief form, another brief form. So that is a phrase. And alright. Then dash underneath the vowel. Okay. And dot there. Then dash, sign of capitalization. This is a straight line and a deep hook and a downward curve. Alright, sign of capitalization again. Then that is a brief form. Okay, remember the quantities and amounts. And then this one and a period. Okay, so that is your sentence number 3. Okay. So this is your sentence number 4. You try to read this one. Okay. And then we do have here okay. Alright. There. Okay. And this is your last symbol. Then we have a dot here. This is your last symbol. Then we do have a dot here and a period. Alright, so that is your sentence number 4. Okay, for your sentence number 5. Okay, last sentence. Okay. May I rewrite that? Okay. And a forward curve. That is a brief form. Okay, and then upward straight line. There. Alright. Then this is the last word. I'm sorry, I have to rewrite that. That is clear for you to read. There. And straight. That is a period. Alright, so that is the last sentence. If you do know the correct longhand of number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, please comment down. Thank you for participating on this reading practice. Okay, so that is all in lesson 14, and I do appreciate if you joined me in the reading practice that I have given you in the last part of my video. And again, thank you for joining me. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and the bell notifications for more updates. See you again